How to buy Adidas gift card online. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow for that so that you can or someone else can use it to shop Adidas products online or in stores. So we can directly buy it from Adidas official gift store. For that, we can just head over and look out for Adidas gift card base. Go ahead and search for gift card base and hit enter and look out for it. You can click on any of the link available here and we can choose a digital e-gift card as an option. So let's click on this option called shop e-gift card and we can find it up. And all we gotta do is basically enter the recipe and email here, provide it up first of all, and the recipient's name, what it is. After that, your name, what your name is, who is sending it. After that, you need to select up a message. So you can select up a message, something like this, and you can just go over and choose the amount of the value that you want. For example, $100, you can select it. Once it is done, you can click on this option called add to bag and you can complete out the purchase. And the e-gift card is delivered by email, usually within a few hours, and the digital code right here can be used at checkout on adidas.com or in Adidas retail locations where it is redeemable. And that's it. And when you buy online, you usually get an email. You can just go and check out your email. And that's the most convenient and instant way you can find it up. So for now, we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.